How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk. Welcome back to another auto video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the windshield wipers. Again, quick and easy, simple, to the point. So let's get right into it. I just want to make a quick disclaimer that not every windshield wiper is the same. As you can see with this blade, it's pretty thick at the box with the root where it connects. The one I'm going to be putting on does not have one. This is a Michelin, this is a Rain-X. Two different ones. Most windshield wiper blades are universal. Most of them will either have a hook, like this one here, there's a hook, or a side pin, which just snaps in. What I'm gonna be doing is using a hook. I'm telling you guys now, in case you guys have a pin, to go watch another video because, again, like I said, I'm gonna be doing a hook in this video. Real quick, in the middle of editing, I forgot to mention something. Every windshield wiper is a different inch. For example, my Ford F-150 is a 22-inch windshield wiper. Make sure you go on Google, type in your car, and look at how much or how long your windshield wiper blade is. So as you can see, this is the windshield wiper, this is the blade. Right here is what we have to take off because the hook is clipped into this. So again, it's a little stuck from being on for a while, so I'm gonna take my handy knife, I'm gonna go in here, and I'm gonna pry it off just like that. Like I said, all of them are different, but again, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put some pressure and slide it out. There you go, the blade's off. As like I said, the box, and this one's a Rain-X. So if you don't know how to take it off, now you do. And here's the hook. That's all it is, nothing intimidating. And like before, like I said, most of the blades, pretty much all of them will have instructions on how to actually do it. So if you aren't completely sure or aren't completely happy with the video, you can always go back and look on the back of your packaging. Now watch how simple this is. As you can see, is the new blade does not have a box. If you look in, there's a little tab, slide tab out like that. As you can see, you can kind of see where the hook's gonna go up here. I want you to see how simple this really is. See how there's an opening right here and there's a solid back? Just follow it in. Just like that. You're gonna lift this up a little bit. You're gonna slide it over. It's gonna slide right in. And you're gonna pull up hard till you hear a click like that. And it's on. It is literally that simple. And then we can put it down. Boom. Our new blade is ready to go. All right, so now I'm on the driver's side, same thing, but it's gonna be a little harder for me to do it because the truck is up high. So again, I'm gonna put my sharp little knife here, flick that open like that. I'm gonna take the windshield wiper, shove it off just like that, put it down against the glass. I need to get new glass anyway because I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big ass chip from a dump truck I was following. I'll do it like the angle down here so you can see it on a different angle. So again, new blade, we're gonna pop this off. You can see where the opening is here. The opening is where you want to match the opening on this. So again, we'll flip it like this. We'll lift it up a little bit. See how there's an opening and there's an opening on the hook. Slide it through. Like so. As you can see here. And then now that we're in, do that. And then we're gonna shove up hard. Boom, clicks in, windshield wipers are ready to go. All right, we'll turn the key on and we're gonna test them out with some windshield washer fluid. Turn the radio off so no copyright. Oh yes, that's a lot better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps. Again, this is for you guys. I love helping you guys out. So if it did help you, like I said, leave a comment below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.